Job number J-2025-0560-1. We're accessing the drain from a newly installed 4-inch PVC cleanout tee located next to the laundry tub. We are out about 113 feet according to the footage counter on the camera. We're looking at the flow of the city main sewer at 113. Paused for a minute to also locate position and depth. We are roughly in the center of the roadway in front of the building, and depth is about 10 foot 2 inches. The flow pattern appears to be flowing in the main sewer, seems to be flowing from left to right as we observe the rapids in the water and small particulates that are occasionally coming by. We can see they're going from left to right. So the city main sewer is flowing southward in the road in front of this building towards a manhole structure. Lateral is 6-inch clay. Looks like the lateral connects very close to the level of the city main sewer off to the side, suggesting not a lot of pitch to work with. Some debris starting to be sitting around in the piping here, a little bit on the bottom. Before that, the lateral was pretty clean. Most likely reason for the change here is at 81, you start to see some pooling. Moderate pooling continuing. See the water just hanging out here through this section, just a very small amount on the bottom. We also see some solids sitting around. Extreme end of this moderate pooling at 63, so 63 to 81. pouring a little water to try to clear up the cam lens. It's still a little bit hazy here as we're going back through the piping. Another section of pooling here. Downstream end is at about 56. Moderate pooling. You see solids again hanging around. Upstream end of this pooling is 52 to 56. Or 48 feet rather, we are transitioning to cast iron. Pretty good amount of scale and buildup on the piping. We can see our clean out Y right there at 43. That is the main clean out by the water meter. And also a change in depth right there. Change in depth and a change in direction at 43. So it's turning 90 degrees and dropping down at a 45-degree angle. Cast iron has a lot of pitting, a lot of lumpy formations on it. There's quite a lot of effort to get the snake through this 4-inch cast iron portion of the system. You can see the bottom of the pipe is a little flat, suggesting a fair amount of buildup on the bottom still. Still debris, lots of debris on the bottom. Branching off of the sewer portion that continues to run to other basement sections of this condo building. So the Y here is at 22. See a Y joining at 14. This is likely the floor drain. Going back forward just to see if we can figure out where the bathroom stack joins. It's hard to see it if it's there. It's there, it's not obvious. Could be joining on that lower, deeper section in a different Y pattern. We have looks to be like a 45-degree offset. Approaching the base of the stack. 4-inch cast iron transitioning to 4-inch PVC. Here we have our newly installed PVC cleanout, and then we have drain piping associated with this laundry tub, and a laundry tub for the adjoining neighbor as it heads through the wall.